it's James here from goodguitarist.com, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to use an electronic tuner. It's just going to be a really quick rundown. We're not going to get too much into detail on how the guitar and all the tuning and everything works. I'm just going to show you how to put the tuner on, how to turn the knobs until you're in tune. You know, just really straightforward. Now, I highly recommend getting one of these style of tuners. They just clip on the end of the guitar, you turn them on, and then the tuner says if you're in tune or not. So see there, my string isn't in tune. I just turn the knob a little bit. And there we go. It's perfectly in tune. Let's just take a quick look at another one. So I pluck the string, plucking the 5th string here, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the A string. And then I can just follow the string and it connects to this one. So I just followed it with my eyes, you know, nothing too fancy. Now I know this knob is going to control the pitch of that particular string. When we pluck it, yeah, we're a little flat, you know, so I'm going to touch the appropriate knob. I'm just going to turn it a little bit. You can see I'm barely turning it. And the string is, or should be, going up. There we go, perfectly in tune. Now, one of the most important things, and I guess this qualifies as theory, is learning the names and numbers of the strings. E, A, D, G, B, E. Elvis always did Get By Easy, or Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. Elephants and donkeys grow big ears. You know, there's all these little phrases you can say that help you remember the names of the strings. And then there's the string numbers, which start on the other end. Starts at the thinnest string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from the names, starts from the thickest, the lowest string, E, A, D, G, B, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're tuning the 5th string, which we know is the A string, and you can see I'm just plucking it. You don't want to be like, you know, you just give the tuner a chance to listen. You just pluck. You just keep refreshing the signal so the tuner can hear the guitar clearly. Now if I go too far, it's too much. It's sharp now. That's not good. So I want to tune back down till it's under and then go up into the note. It's important you never want your final movement to be coming from up. If I come from up here and I go down, so I was sharp and then I just kind of turned it until it was perfect. Now watch if I just play a little bit. Now it's flat. Anyways, the next string's D. So once again, we just tighten up. Went too far. Okay, so we loosen it. And what I do is actually just tug on the string. And that'll bring it back under. Oh, perfect. Now that's what it's going to be like most of the time when you're tuning your guitar. You know, it's just going to be a little bit out of tune. You just do some fine tuning, turning the knobs. And if you're not sure which way to turn the knob, just try it. You know, try turning it one way and you'll be like, oh, it's going up. Try it the other way, it'll go down. The whole point is though, that you turn the knob until the dial is right in the middle. And the one big tip is that if you go above, if you go sharp, you can't just bring it perfect. You have to bring it down and then you have to tug on the string. And then you should be under and you tune up. So long story short, make sure that the last thing you do is bringing it up into the perfect note. That way you'll stay in tune. If you come down, it'll quickly go out of tune, like I demonstrated when I tugged on the string. So that's a really quick rundown on tuning. If you want to learn like everything that there is to know about it, I actually do have a complete beginner's guitar course. It's available on my website. There's a link down below. And in it, I go over all the things that beginners need to know in huge depth. You know, once again, this was just a quick rundown in case you just want to get the idea of how to do it. But if you want step-by-step instruction, you know, where we just go and we show you exactly how it works, you know, with diagrams and all that stuff, please do take a look at my beginner course. Otherwise, I hope that this video helped you learn how to tune using a tuner, and I'll see you soon.